Everyone, in our previous video we saw how to upload an assignment. Today we shall emphasize more on availability of the assignment, submission settings, group submission settings, notifications, and grade. When we look at the availability, we look at when submissions can be enabled or when students can submit their assignments. We set our date, the due date of the assignment, the cutoff date of the assignment. On the device, you do not enable the cutoff date unless you have no exceptions of late submissions. The date to remind you when to grade the assignment. Submission. Under submission types, you have online text and file submissions. File submissions, here the student will be submitting in a document, PDF, audio file, video file, and then online text will have a box where a student can type in their feedback, their answer, or type in a URL, a link to the document. You can set a word limit, the maximum number of uploads the student can, the maximum size of the document, files accepted. You can choose which files, either video, audio, in case you want a preferred type of upload. Feedback types. We can have feedback in comments, offline grading worksheet, feedback files, or a comment inline box. It depends on what you would prefer. Under submission settings, we can require a student to click yes to require the submission button in case they are done with their assignment and they would love to upload their assignment. They can click on the submission button. You may require the student accept a submission statement. Under attempts to reopen, can automatically open the work after grading or passing. Then group submissions. Under group submissions, here the group submissions come in when students have groups. You can click on yes so they can submit their work in groups. And if yes, required to make group submissions, require all members to submit in all their work or submitting as a group. Grouping for students groups. Under notifications, notify grade about submissions. I would advise you leave it at no, because in case you say yes, each submission a student makes you will be notified. So I think those will be too many emails, so you can leave it at no. Notify grade about late submissions. Click yes so that you can be notified when a student submits in their work or assignment late. Grading. Under grade, we will use the grading as points. Maximum grade is 100. Here the maximum grade depends on the number of questions, the weight of the assignment. Method is simple grading. Here is you first have to open the assignment, go through the assignment and grade. You can choose to have a marking guide where it is self-marked. Grading category and categorized. Grade to pass, blind marking. Hide grader identity from student using a marking workflow. After setting all these, save and display so your assignment can be displayed on the platform. For any inquiries, kindly email us at admin@paramedicalinstitute.org. Thank you and have a good day.